Hi, it's Jane for the VIVO IQOO U5X and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application is installing on your device. So after that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now process is finished and let's check the new keyboard. So we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.